I got this soft stitch cover. This one is heat fusible, meaning that you can iron it, and also it's lightweight, it's skin friendly and comfortable. So this is one of the things that you would put after you embroider, and you want to put it in the backing. That way it's soft to the skin. It's not gonna feel like all the stitches. You're not gonna feel all the stitches underneath the embroidery. And this is one of the products that you definitely want to utilize and have whenever you are embroidery for baby stuff or sensitive that you want to be extra gentle with. This is the way that it comes in the package. It has this cover over here, and then this is where the real magic is. That is this very soft, that it's lightweight, it's so nice. One side is super soft, so it's very gentle and soft to the skin, which is exactly what we want. And then the only thing we need to do is just place it where we have the embroidery, and then we're just gonna seal it with heat. In this case, it's going to be with an iron. We are gonna gently iron it, and that's everything we need to do. These sizes are perfect, specifically because these ones, you want to utilize them in baby blankets, in onesies, things like that, as the picture shows. So also, they recommend you to be careful with this, and just because you want to test it in the fabric first. So just utilize a little corner of the fabric before using it. That way you avoid repeating pressing on the same area. And it does, you just have to cut pieces slightly larger than the stitch area. So this one's come in patch, but you can adjust them in the measure that you need to have them. And also place the adhesive side directly into the embroidery stitches. Cover it with a cloth and press the iron to 3 to 5 seconds with medium heat. It tells you here 248 to 302, and then allow to cool and check the edges to ensure that it's a smooth and secure bond. That way it's completely covered, very soft, and it's kind of like the last part of the process that you want to do after you are done with your embroidery.